When looking for a product to purchase, it gets frustrated to see the actual product and learn about the benefits. In this video, I'm going to unbox the COOAU 4K Ultra Sport camera, and we'll show you an additional pro mode to see the quality for this camera, and all this coming up. Hey, what's up? Alex Ballin here with Skill Modified, bringing you the best tips and tools for expanding your skills, your business, and your life. In this channel, we do a lot of tech and application reviews, as well as online courses to bring your skills to the next level. If you are new here, consider subscribing. We are starting a two-part series, starting with unboxing the COOAU 4K sports camera. In the second series, we'll demonstrate the video quality of the COOAU 4K Ultra. Let's dive in with unboxing the COOAU 4K right now. Hi, and before we unbox the COOAU 4K camera, I'm going to go ahead and just go through the specifications. So for the image sensor right here, you have 20 megapixel CMOS sensor. For the video resolution, you have 4K 30 frames per second. On the photo resolution, for taking photos, you got 20 megapixel of photo resolution. It also has a 2.4 gigahertz remote control. It has a Wi-Fi and also can accept the Android and iOS connections, where you have the mobile app and the camera will connect to an Android or iOS device. The anti-shake, it has an EIS system. I'll be showing you some demos for the anti-shake as well, and some photos. For the battery, actually comes with two batteries. It has a built-in microphone, and also it comes in with an external microphone as well. For people that doing diving, underwater, swimming pool, whatnot. This camera has up to 40 meters underwater. For the memory, it needs a micro SD card it can support 64 gigabytes. The SD card is not included, so make sure when you're purchasing this product to go ahead and purchase an SD card. I'm going to go ahead and flip the box and start unboxing it from here. So again, this is the COOAU action camera COOAU C06. It's a 4K Ultra Sport. We'll go ahead and start unboxing the camera. So what you're going to find in this box is, first of all, you're going to find the COOAU user manual. This is what it looks like. Through it, very lengthy user manual. You're going to have 20 accessories. This is the box. Go ahead and open it in a minute. You're going to have the actual camera. This is what it looks like. I'm going to take it out of the box. There you go. What it looks like. It actually comes with the case, with the enclosure right here. That's to protect it when you're diving. That 40 meters that we talked about. That's what's going to protect this camera underwater and shooting underwater in 4K as well. There you go. I'm going to go ahead and move this box right here. Start unboxing the accessories. See what you get with the accessories. Okay. You get a bunch of straps. Way, so we have more room. Straps. You got, this is part of the enclosure itself. So in case something happened to that enclosure, that's a replacement. get the attachments. Let me show attachments. Flip, mount. It comes actually with 2 batteries. Remember we talked about that. It comes with 2 batteries. I'll go over the specs in a minute as well. So this is another attachment. Comes with straps. And this is the strap we talked about, and this is the zippy thing. Another mounts. Comes with a flip. Another accessory mount. Comes with a watch battery. Comes with a charger, and this is the if you're familiar with the Android charger. This is what the charger is. USB-C charger. Other ties. Now this is a mount for your helmet, especially doing extreme sports, you know, on a bike, you know, or kayaking, whatnot, you know. Accessory mount. Comes with an internal and external microphone, so this is the external microphone. There you go. Mount. And then you got this nice cloth. So kind of wipe the lens, camera, back of it. Another thing that I want to talk to you about is, and we'll go through the specs as well, but it doesn't come with a micro SD card, so make sure you buy it. So, what I'm going to do, I'll put the description in the link to pick this camera up from Amazon. So I mean, this be good for you, you know, or you know, for a family member, or for the holidays. Another thing that I want to mention is to open this, you want to make sure to there's a mechanism right here. You want to flip it back. That will open this case as well. So it's like that. There you go. See, it opens. In the instruction manual, I really didn't see how to open it, so I kind of Googled it, but for the sake of the video, you know how to do it now, since I demonstrated it for you, so I kind of gave you an added value. See that? It just opens up like that. See, it opens. Mechanism opens. You can take the camera out. This is the enclosure. It's gonna put it right here so you can see it. This is the enclosure right here. That's for it's gonna protect it underwater. This is the actual 4K camera. Like this right here. You get all your connections right here. You get an HDMI connection here, and also your charger connection. This is where plug in the microphone. I'm going to turn it on so you can see it. One thing is, this is where it goes up and down. This is where you turn it on. See, this is the power button right here. Just hold it down. There you go. It says 4K, 30 frames per second. This shows you the battery. It's a nice digital display. Has a microphone icon right there. Goes up and down. It's looking for the SD camera. We can't take a picture right now. I need to get an SD camera. It has the Wi-Fi connection. That way you can kind of send photos to your smartphone device, you know, whether you have an iOS device, iPhone, or Android device as well. There you go. So you take pictures. I'm going to have an SD card to take pictures. Same thing with videos. We need the SD card. There you go. It's really nice, really neat. I'll go ahead and put a promo video so you can see the actual, video taking for the 4K, so you know what the quality of the camera is. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off. There it's off. Go back to the closure. Correctly. There you go. Voila. So, I mean, it's a really nice camera. On a budget as well. I'll be shooting more. Doing more videos to demonstrate its quality for me taking pictures as well, taking videos. But also, as I mentioned, I'm gonna put a promo video so you can see promo video from COOAU themselves to see the the actual quality of the camera as well. I'll put some photos as well. I hope this video add value to you. When it comes to purchasing this product. So if you enjoyed this review, go ahead and hit the like button and go ahead and subscribe, as we always going to be releasing tech reviews, business reviews, courses, with Skill Modify Inc. Again, thank you so much for allowing me to review this product, and we'll see you next.